Hey friends, welcome back. Today I want to show you something that honestly changed how I handle long-form videos. If you've ever sat there after a shoot thinking how the heck do I turn this 2-hour footage into a week's worth of short clips, this one's for you. I'm talking about Vizard, an AI tool that automatically turns long videos into ready-to-post clips, schedules them, and helps you manage everything in a single place. Stick around and I'll walk you through how it works and why it might actually save your sanity. So, imagine you just finished a long live stream, a workshop, or a sit-down interview. You've got all this gold in one file. Great takes, funny moments, insightful nuggets. But manually hunting through hours of footage, chopping, captioning, resizing for Instagram or TikTok, and then scheduling each post, it's a pain. You either spend days editing or you post nothing, but Vizard's whole point is to remove that friction. Let me show you a quick walkthrough. So first, log into Vizard and you'll land on the dashboard. It's clean, not overloaded with options, which I appreciate. There's a few main areas. Upload your long video, the auto-editing feature, auto-schedule, and the content calendar. For this demo, we're going to focus on auto-editing viral clips and then show how you can move straight to scheduling. Step 1. Upload your source video. And this part is as simple as drag and drop. You can drop a single long video or multiple takes if you want. Vizard accepts typical formats: MP4, MOV, nothing exotic. Once the file's in, you'll see options to choose the style of clips you want: short highlights, deeper cuts, or platform-specific sizes. Pick what you want as the output format, such as vertical for TikTok, square for Instagram, or landscape for YouTube Shorts. Step 2. Let the AI do its thing and hit the auto-edit button so Vizard analyzes the footage. It doesn't just look for loud noises or cuts. It searches for engagement signals, punchlines, peaks in volume, repeated mentions of keywords, energetic moments, things that historically perform well. In seconds, it identifies potential viral parts and chops them into separate clips. No manual scrubbing required. And I love this because it's like having an assistant who's watched your whole video and already knows where the good stuff is. You'll get a batch of clips back, ready to preview. Each clip comes with basic auto-generated captions, a suggested thumbnail, and length optimized for the platform you selected. From here you can tweak, change the start or end by a couple seconds, edit the caption, or swap the thumbnail. The level of control is there if you want it, but most times the defaults are solid. Now the part that takes this from nice tool to must-have for creators: auto-schedule and the content calendar. Once your clips are generated, you don't need to export them one by one and upload to Instagram or TikTok. Set the posting frequency, say twice a day or every other day, and tell Vizard what platforms to post to. The auto-schedule feature will queue the clips and publish them at the times you chose. The content calendar then displays everything at a glance so you can manage, reorder, or pause posts without leaving the platform. For someone juggling multiple channels, this is a game changer. Why this matters? Consistency is king on social media. A lot of creators have amazing long-form content but can't keep up with short-form repurposing. Vizard takes the most time-consuming parts, finding the moments, formatting clips, and scheduling, and automates them. You get more reach without turning into a full-time editor. Let me compare this to other options because you'll probably ask, why not just hire an editor or use other software? Hiring an editor works, but it's slow and expensive. You're paying per hour for someone to scrub footage and chop clips, and if you want rapid daily posting, that gets costly. Traditional editing suites like Premiere Pro are powerful, but they require skill and time. Then there are other AI platforms that promise automated clip generation, but they often do only one thing, e.g. they cut clips but don't handle scheduling, or they post automatically but the clip selection is basic and misses context. Some are also priced for enterprise users, which is fine if you're a big studio, but not for creators trying to grow organically. Vizard strikes a balance. It's smart about selecting clips. It offers an end-to-end workflow from upload to publish, and it's designed for creators who need speed and scale. Plus, the content calendar means you can plan a month of posts in one go, tweak copy and thumbnails, and keep everything consistent across platforms. Okay, a few real-world examples so you get the idea. I had a friend who does long interviews with entrepreneurs. Each episode was an hour. Before Vizard, they'd spend a day cutting the top 5 moments and manually post them over 2 weeks. With Vizard, they uploaded the raw interview and got back 12 ready-to-post clips with captions and thumbnails. They scheduled those clips across Instagram and TikTok in under 5 minutes. Engagement went up because they posted consistently, and the accounts started gaining traction faster than before. Another use case: courses and webinars. If you're creating educational content, Vizard can automatically extract short explainer clips focused on specific concepts. Instead of forcing learners to sit through long videos, you can drip out bite-sized lessons daily. That keeps audiences engaged and helps with retention. A few tips to make the most of it. Give the AI a decent quality upload. Clear audio and visible speakers help the algorithm find the best moments. Use descriptive felines or short descriptions when uploading multiple videos so the AI groups similar content properly. Review auto-generated captions for accuracy. They're good, but slang or technical terms sometimes need quick fixes. Don't be afraid to let the AI suggest thumbnails. They often find punchy frames that you might miss. Now, to be fair, no tool is perfect. Vizard is great at surfacing high-energy or clearly defined moments, but if your content is very subtle or relies on long-burn jokes, you might still want to manually craft a few cuts. Also, while the auto-schedule feature is robust, some creators who love full manual control might still prefer uploading directly to each platform for their own analytics nuances. But for the vast majority of creators, podcasters, educators, coaches, live streamers, Vizard handles the heavy lifting and leaves you to focus on creating. One more thing I appreciate is that Vizard doesn't try to force you into one template. It gives you options: short hooks for TikTok, slightly longer takeaways for YouTube Shorts, and square cuts for Instagram. You can keep the same essence of a clip but tailor it to each platform's vibe in minutes. That's super useful because cross-platform posting can otherwise double or triple your workload. If you're thinking about workflow, upload, auto-edit, review, schedule, that's literally the loop. Over time, you'll build a library of clips and a content cadence that keeps your channels active without burning you out. All right, closing thoughts. If you want to keep producing long-form content but also show up every day on short-form platforms, tools like Vizard are the missing link. It's not about replacing editors or removing creativity. It's about removing repetitive, low-value tasks so your creative brain can focus on ideas and storytelling. Give it a spin. Upload one long piece, let it generate a batch, and schedule a week's worth of content. You'll probably be surprised how much momentum it creates. That's it for today. If you liked this walkthrough and want more tips on repurposing content or getting the most out of Vizard's features, drop a comment or DM me. I've been using it for months and love sharing hacks that actually save time. Catch you in the next one.